Okay, well, today Gigi has a package to open. Let's see what's in your package, Gigi. I think it may be some treats.
Ooh, some treats.
Oh, now you get to have clean teeth. Oh boy, a new toothbrush. Wow, it's called the triple pet. Okay, a toothbrush. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, some Smart Bones, your favorite. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Ooh, look, sweet potato. Those are the ones you like to hide. Okay, let's see what else is next. Oh, here's some more. Dental scrubbies. Treats for your dog. Ooh, okay, well, you were just about to run low on these. And now there's some new ones. Okay, look. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. Some more Smart Bones. Oh, these are double time rolls made with real chicken. This is a new treat for Gigi.
Ooh.
Well, she looks like she's gonna like it. Okay, some more sweet potato bones.
Ooh.
Nope, we don't need that. Nope. Oh, here's the filet mignon, your favorite. Filet mignon. Okay. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, look.
Your favorite.
Your favorite. Another favorite of Gigi's. The dental cleanses. Dental pads to clean your teeth. And let's see. One other thing that's over here. Oh, here we go. Okay, some more toothpaste. Tartar Control chicken flavor. More toothpaste. Yeah, I think you would look that a lot. Okay, here's something else.
Nothing else.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oh,
it's big. Oh, guess what it is? Guess what it is? It's a Skitties. It's a skunk. It's a skunk. Oh, there she goes. Okay. There she goes, running in the other room. Gigi.
you want to trim the tag off of it?
Okay, let's trim the tag off. Okay, let me have it just for a minute. See if I can trim the tag off. And then you can have it. Okay. Cut the plastic off. Okay, now I gotta do one other thing.
One more.
Oops. Okay, now I've got to see there's plastic in here. Hold on just a minute. I've got to peel the little plastic things off.
Okay. Get the sticker off.
And the sticker off. Okay, I think there's one more plastic. 1, 2. Okay, here it is. Okay, you ready? Another animal to add to Gigi's family. Gigi, do you like your new toy? Well, I guess that's all that's in Gigi's package. Who is this? It's a skunk. We'll have to name it. Oh, I'm not sure what we'll name it. Maybe Peppy. I think she likes it.
Yeah, you like it, all right.
Oh. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. I think we've got another sticker she's trying to chew on. I must have used some really tough glue because it's not coming off.
I grab you, pull. We might have to
I think I may have to cut it off.
cut it off.
I don't want to. All right, let me go see if I can get some scissors and cut it real quick. Hold still. Here, hang on. We're gonna cut your tag off. Hang on, hang on. I think I need to order some new scissors. Okay,
There we
there
go.
you go.